Hello, my name is Aminath Nizama, and this is my presentation for Design 2. And my client is Mr. Tim Burton. So he's an American director, producer, artist, and writer, and he was born in August 25th of 1958. He's very well known for his gothic fantasy horror movies, which means that all of the characters and props in his movies or illustrations all emphasize a gothic style. And some of his most well-known works include Edward Scissorhands, Beetlejuice, and Corpse Bride. And for this design, the key character that I took into consideration is introvert. So this Tim Burton is often described as an introvert. That's mainly because due to him being on the autism spectrum, he often spent time on his own. So this is the reason why he liked to spend time on and doing what he likes to do. And here you can see the concept collage that I made up. So this concept is introverted camouflage park, which means that the design is going to be very hidden with very few openings to be seen from the outside. This is in order to help him get privacy and also allows him to interact less with the public. However, there is a garden area that can be accessed only from a staircase outside. So this, it acts as a space hidden within a space. And then the walls of the design is going to be hidden with climbing trees, so that less wall can be seen, in a way helping the design or the house to blend in or camouflage with the surroundings. And this is the location area. So the location is in Perdana Botanical Garden, KL. And then this is my proposed location. And here is the ceiling plan. So the reason why I decided to go with this location is because it is surrounded by trees and the area is more secluded. So it will help to provide him more privacy, and also it is near to the pathway, so it is safer for the people to access into it. And then here you can find the floor plans. So this is the ground floor plan. The ground floor plan contains the entrance, living area, kitchen, dining area. Kitchen and dining area is actually connected. And then this is the workspace. This is a washroom for the guests who visit him to use. And then this is the stairs from which the people will be able to access to the public space of the terrace garden. And then this is the pathway built for the people to come and access to this area. And then this is the first floor plan. First floor plan, it contains the terrace garden, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and the shared toilet. And this is my site response. So, and agency matrix. The house has a total of 137 meter square. And then here you can see the pathway of sun. And then this is the wind pathway to the house. And then this is my bubble diagram. The bubble diagram shows the public spaces, private spaces, and semi-private spaces, and also like the zone planning diagram. So like from these two diagrams, as you can see, the semi-private spaces are in pink color, and in blue color is the private space, which is going to be the terrace garden, and in yellow color it is the private spaces. And as you can see, the workplace and the bedrooms are actually farthest at the corners. This is in order to give him more privacy and also like to have a view of vegetation as well as the river. So like from this bedroom, he's able to have the view of Perdana River and vegetation, well as from this one, the view of the vegetation. And this is the workspace for him, and from the workspace, he's able to see the view of vegetation. So this will help him to relax and get more inspired, as it's the area surrounded will help him to calm. And the terrace garden area, it works as a viewpoint, so which means that it will have a different vibe from that of the surroundings. So it's going to have different types of trees that of the surroundings. um and moving on, these are my elevation. This is west side elevation. Actually, the entrance is at the back of the house. This is once again to provide more privacy. So as you can see here, it's at the back. So this is the west side elevation showing the entrance to the house. This is north side elevation. From here you can see the staircase for the people to get on and access to the terrace garden. And then this is the east elevation. Here you can clearly see how the staircase goes. And then this is the south elevation. So on this elevation, you're able to see the garden area. And on the garden area, as you can see here, there are openings on the walls. So this is so that even when people are inside the terrace garden, they're still able to like see the other spaces outside of that area. So like they are able to enjoy both the surroundings as well as the inside a garden area. And these are my sections. In the sections, you can see the garden area, bedroom number 1, workspace, dining area, and then this is the living room. And on other section, you're able to see the staircase which leads to the garden area here. And then this is the bedroom number 2. This is the kitchen, and this is the dining area. And now for the materials used are concrete, steel, and wooden louver windows. And the design principle is repetition, because on the facade you're able to see a lot of repeated use of plant walls. And here, this is my detail diagram. So or call-out diagram. So on the roofing, it's a metal roof at 3 degrees slope to fall, and there's a 50mm insulin blanket, 1-layer double-sided aluminum foil on double mesh, C-channel, MS raft at 600 millimeters, wall structure. Here the green wall panel, stainless steel frame, floor finish, 25mm floor screeding, a 150mm floor slab, proactive screeding, 1-layer waterproofing, lean concrete, 300mm hardcore, and also compact earth fill. Yes. And now this is my exploded diagram. So it includes the roof trusses, green wall facade, and concrete wall facade, the spaces, and concrete slab foundation. These are my interior perspectives. So first one is the office area. The office area consists of 2 spaces. One side here, the desk in front of the window, this part is mainly for him to do his illustrations or drawings or like writings, and on the other station, it is for him to make models of his characters from his movies and illustrations, because Tim Burton loves to do that. And then there are a number of shelves you can see placed. So this is in order to him to keep his necessary materials for making models, as well as like books for him. And then this is the dining area. So there's a large area for dining, because Tim Burton is a very well-known figure. So which means that obviously he's going to have guests come over. So like when they come over, they are able to get comfortable. And it's also placed near the wooden louver, so there's natural light that can come in. And this is the terrace garden area. In order to give the space feeling of a hidden space, it's half covered by the roofing. And also, like as I have mentioned earlier, there are openings on the wall, so like people are able to enjoy the outside view as well. Overall, it helps to provide or give the garden a different vibe from that of the outside. And this is my exterior perspective number 1. And then this is my sectional perspective. And here are a few more exterior perspectives. And this is my board compilation. So that is it for my presentation. Thank you.